Alrighty guys, it's Chris Canopies on 4x4 back here again for another installation video for you guys, because I know you guys are clamoring for all of my 1,000 subscribers. 1,100, get it right boys, get it right. All right, so we're gonna get an electric roller shutter fitted on this Hilux SR5 today. We're gonna refit the OEM sports bar. We're gonna get rid of this rubbish tonneau cover. And we are also going to get a nudge bar fitted, and we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty guys, Chris, Canopies and 4x4, the same guy at the start of the video. I don't know why I'm introducing myself at the end of the video. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of these nudge bars to suit the Hilux. The one thing just to be mindful of on the SR5 models that are fitted with the front facing camera, you can definitely see the nudge bar in the camera. It's not to say that the camera is unusable. It's just that you have to be mindful that you will be able to see the nudge bar in it. Anyway, as an aside, you can go on ozcanopies.com.au to grab these nudge bars. We've got them available for basically all the utes driving around today. That's ozcanopies.com.au. Like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.